Yo, what up, what up? It's your boy C's from theceslife.com, and in today's video, we're going to be answering the question, do personal trainers need a business license? Now, do you need a business license? No, but I recommend that you get yourself an LLC. Now, the reason why you don't need it, because at bare minimum, what you do need is a personal training certification and an insurance for your personal training business. Now, this will protect you from clients getting injured on the training floor. So that's the bare minimum: insurance and a personal training certification. Now, the reason why I recommend an LLC is because if you're on your own, and even trainers that are in a gym, oftentimes, so that they'll make more money, they'll go and do home fitness, right? They'll go to a client's house as opposed to the client coming to the gym. So I recommend, whether you work in a gym or you work outside of a gym, for you to get an LLC. Now, the LLC is a standalone business, so if anything happens under that LLC, they're suing the client, or anyone injured is going to sue the LLC business, and that's away from all of your assets. If they'll just take what's the value of the company, as opposed to the shirt off your back if you were to just go at it alone, right? So I recommend just getting a standard LLC. It will be your name. Like, my LLC is my name, LLC. It's just super simple. It doesn't have to be any grandiose name. Just get an LLC through LegalZoom and protect yourself and your assets, man. Because there's a lot of shady things happening out there, especially in the age of the internet. People try to do the most. So you want to protect yourself for any, liabilities, and just keep it all in the business. And then this is where you can have all your accounting, all your expenses tracked. You can get business taxed, and, get some extra money too. You run all your things through your business, because it is your business, and then you just pay yourself a salary. It's just that simple. Hopefully that answered the question. You don't need it, but I do recommend it. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe. Let me know if you have any other questions, and holla back.